Personal finance. Definition. Personal finance is more personal than it is finance. Personal finance definition. Personal finance is all about planning to achieve the major financial goals in life. Components of personal finance. Personal finance has mainly 4 different components. 1. Income. Without money, there is no personal finance. 2. Expenses. Instead, you should spend enough money that can't offset your financial goals. 3. Investments. Investment is a crucial part of personal finance. 4. Financial safety. Having insurance is the best way to ensure financial safety in dire situations. Strategies for managing your personal finance. Strategizing for effective personal finance goals is a must to ensure your financial matters are sorted. 1. Prepare a budget. 40% of net income for essentials like rent, grocery, utility bills, transportation, paying off debt, and insurance premium payment. 2. Save first before big expenditure. Always keep your emergency fund in highly liquid assets. 3. Keep expenses in check. One of the key objectives of setting up personal finance strategies is the reduction of expenses. 4. Have adequate insurance. Life insurance and health insurance are the 2 types that people of all ages should get. Minimizing tax using personal finance. Also, the new pension scheme, NPS, allows you to save taxes up to Rs 16,500 over and above Section 80C.